Hello everyone, this is Belinda from GRUDA HAIR Vietnam factory. Have you noticed your wig getting unnecessarily dry and brittle? Definitely resulting not to looking good and healthy too. The hormone season is upon us and has effect on your wig, natural hair and even skin, leaving your hair unattended to, resulting hair breakage and damage. To avoid that, I have curated 5 things for you to avoid your wig from damaging this season. 1. Moisturizing regularly. The hormone season can be very dry, so it's critical to keep your wig moisturized. Use a leave-in conditioner or a wig moisturizing spray to prevent the hair from becoming brittle. 2. Detangle gently. Use a wide tooth comb or a wig brush to detangle your wig gently. Start from the tips and work your way up to prevent unnecessary breakage or stress on the hair strands. 3. Avoid excessive waxing. Waxing your wig too frequently can strip it or its natural oils, making it more susceptible to dryness. Clean it only when necessary and use a mild shampoo or moisturizing conditioner or cold washes only. 4. Store properly. When not in use, store your wig in a breathable bag, wig stand or box. Avoid tying, sealing it in plastic, as this can trap moisture and lead to mold or other issues. 5. Cover your wig. Protect your wig from dust and harsh weather conditions by covering it with a silk or satin scarf. This will help maintain its smoothness and prevent tangling. I hope this can help you maintain your hair to be beautiful and silky. Thanks for watching.